In this tutorial, we will try to understand that what are the different ways in which the output display gets affected while using the format specifier percentage %d or percentage %0d and percentage %3d like that. So you might have seen in different Verilog codes that while printing, sometimes we are writing percentage %d or %0d like this. So we'll try to understand how the output is getting affected while displaying. So we will use a small code snippet for demonstrating that. So let me take any keyword module, which is the first keyword which we need to use while using any Verilog program, and I'll end it with an end module. Next, let me declare any integer I and let me give its value like 45. Next, I will try to display it. So we need to write it inside an initial begin end block. So now I'll try to display this I value. So I'll write $display. So one time I'll write value of I is equal to percentage D, because integer I is an integer, so I'm using percentage D as the format specifier for replacement, and I will replace this percentage D with I value, and I'll hit a semicolon. Next, let us write it in another way, and we'll try to see in the output screen that what is the main difference. So this time I'll write percentage %0d, and one more copy I'll do, and this time I'll write percentage %0 3d. So I've written three display statements for printing uh, I value. So once we will try to understand what is the difference between each one of them. So if you see first one, I've just written percentage D, %0d and percentage %0 3d. So let me hit on execute and see the output. So if you see first one, where I've written just percentage D, it gives an extra space while printing. Okay. So if you don't want this extra space to be printed, you should not give it empty like this. You should always give it %0d. So this 0 placing before D will take care of removing that extra space. So in the second display statement, that extra space has been removed and it has printed nearer to this equal to symbol. And last one is percentage %0 3d. For example, if I want to display my answer in 3 digits, then I need to use 3 symbol here and it will display 3 digits. Although 45 is just a 2-digit number, but it has added an extra 0. Because sometimes during display there might be a requirement that you might want specific number of bits to be displayed. So how many bits you want, that number you can place here. For example, if you want 4 digits, you just replace this 3 with 4 and again hit on execute. So this time we will observe now it has placed 2 extra zeros and 4 5. So it becomes a 4-digit number. And because in first statement we have not written %0d, we are getting extra space. Here that extra space is removed and here it has added 4 bits. So you can have a look at this code once again, and you can try this code on your own Verilog compilers to have a better understanding. So hopefully now you understood difference between percentage %d, %0d and %04d. Thanks for watching.